for a place with shadow where I can sit little. I think here is a nice place where you can sit and show you what I have in my backpack. I'm not gonna make this video too long. You know how I always do right on the subject the videos. So let's go. Watch to the end, because at the end I'm gonna tell you some secrets that I'm using when I'm making sound recording videos with the exhaust sound of the motorcycle. First I'm gonna show you the tripod that I'm using for filming. It has little longer legs. It's helpful to film myself while I'm talking. For example, like this, I put the tripod on the bench and now I can film myself talking and showing you things, I don't know. And I can take it in my hand and I can talk like this. Hi. And now I've pulled out most of the things that I hold in my backpack. This I'm using when I'm filming from rider position. The next thing that I'm having in my backpack, in case of flat tire, I'm holding a tire repair air pressure container that I'm gonna use to put air back on my motorcycle wheels if something is gonna happen. And also in my GoPro box I have a battery for my motorcycle keyless. In case I'm running out of battery or something happens to my phone, I have a battery for backup. And here I have a small kit to seal if a hole ever gonna happen on the motorcycle wheel. It's a kit that you easily find everywhere. I have a tool with those keys. It has star, line, for I don't know, most things you're gonna need at the motorcycle to open a screw or to do something. I find it very useful and I always have it with me. And then I have my phone stick that I'm using to make some selfies if I need with the phone, when I make some TikTok videos, Instagram, I don't know, and I need to film with my phone. So don't hold it in my hand like this because it's a little hard. It's more easy to use the selfie stick. Of course I have my phone. And I have two lighters from Vukos, both of them. This one, the small one, it's very easy to use. I can keep it in my pocket when I'm taking night shots. This one has 20 RGB color modes, light modes. And it has also police light mode, if you see. You can mount it with this clip in front of the motorcycle and do some nasty things with the police light in case you want. When I'm taking night shots of the motorcycle, it has a very bright full light that I can use extra for my GoPro camera, and I like it very much because it has a magnet on the back and I can attach it on metal things. This is wood, so I cannot attach it there, but I can fix it somewhere, or I can use the clip in the back to hold it, to have light. Next, it's a military grade lanterns, the same from Vukos. I find it very useful. It has laser pointer, very powerful flashlight. Also it has a magnet in the back and I can attach it on things. I find it very useful, and it has those lights here. This one I can use to also charge my phone if I have the motorcycle stopped and I'm not using the USB. Like in this moment I stopped and I cannot charge from the motorcycle, because you can charge only when the motorcycle is working. I can use this lantern to charge my phone. It has a 5000 milliamperes battery. Also a laser pointer and also UV light for money. You test money if they're fake money. But for me it has a extremely powerful light at night. Look at day, how it's sunny outside, and I can light inside everywhere. And at night, believe me, this one transforms night into day. It's very useful for me with night filming. This one and this one, because it's very small and has color modes. I can make some dancing what I'm doing. Then I have a second camera mount. 1 second to open it. That I'm using to take some static shots. I'm gonna put it here to understand how it works. Look, if I want, I can put camera there. I can put it on the motorcycle here or here sometimes. And I'm taking shots from this small mounting tripod. Next, this I'm always having it in the box for in the GoPro box, because I'm using it to clean phone camera, GoPro camera, and the lenses. It's very useful. It's a glass cloth that it cleans very well the lenses. I need it. Next, I have two filters that I'm using for my riding shots. It's ND8 and ND32. Very useful, those. And the two recorders. Those are the two sound recorders that I'm using for motorcycle sound. This one has a little lower quality. I need to isolate it more. It's not enough to put it in this foam. I still have a back noise, but this one with this, it's excellent. You can find them very cheap. This one low quality, but in case I remain without battery, I don't know, or something, I haven't used this one too much, only at the beginning when I was making tests. Most of the time I'm using this inside this and in my backpack to make the sound videos. And if you listen to my sound videos, it's recording pretty well. And of course, beside everything that I presented you here, I have the GoPro camera 13 in this moment, but I have used from GoPro 4. I don't know, maybe other people have other preferences when it's coming about cameras. I like more GoPro. I used all the time GoPro. I tested other cameras from other brands. I don't want to make this a camera tutorial. I only use GoPro. In this moment, GoPro 13. When I'm making the sound videos on the motorcycle, everything matters. For example, if you have a larger t-shirt on you and the wind flips it or moves it, you're gonna have that noise on the recording of the exhaust of the motorcycle. So you have to take care of what clothes you are wearing, what you are having in your backpack to have them everything fixed to not move around. And third, and one very important thing, the helmet. Most of the helmets are making some noises. This one, for example, from AGV, I cannot make a sound recorder of the exhaust because it has a sound that is coming on the background of the recording if I'm using this helmet when I'm making the recordings. I have another off-road helmet that I got from Temu. The same, it has even more noise, wind noise coming into the helmet, so I cannot use that one as well. The only one I could find useful for sound recorder when I'm making motorcycle sound videos, the main helmet from Nex. So I cannot use this AGV helmet when I make motorcycle sound, raw sound videos. I can only use my main Nex helmet. Alright, if you have questions about any the things that you can find on my backpack, put me a comment down in the comments and ask me, and I can tell you why I have everything. I don't know, explain you what I'm doing more in deep with each item that you saw in my backpack. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye. Woo-hoo.
Oh,